Nikola Tesla's 369 method is incomplete the way you heard it all over the internet. What if I told you that this method, the one you've seen all over on YouTube and everywhere in the internet, has been completely misunderstood? And what if the real power of this method lies in the things no one is talking about? Today, I'm going to share with you the secrets about this magical Tesla 369 method that I guarantee you've never heard before. And these are the methods that made this method actually work for me after trying it for months and not seeing results. And as soon as I started doing these secrets, the results started coming like miracles. My name is Shadi, and I'm a manifestation coach, and I help thousands of people manifest their dream life in as early as 6 days, the same way I've manifested mine over and over again. The only place where I teach my step-by-step secrets is inside my Manifest Now online course, and the link to this beautiful online course is in the description. If you're ready to become a manifestation magnet and start manifesting right this moment, check out the link to Manifest Now online course. And if you love deep manifestation talks, make sure to check out my podcast link in the description as well and follow me there because we can be friends and we can do a lot of manifestations together. Now let's get into this magical 369 method, which is very, very powerful. But the way most people are doing it online, it's incomplete. Writing affirmations 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times at night is only the surface of this method. If you really want this to actually shift your frequency and work for you, here are the hidden keys which you need to know about. First, before anything, before you even write a single word, you have to and you need to clear your energy field. Tesla understood energy better than anyone, and your body holds frequencies. If your energy is cluttered, your writing is just words on paper. It doesn't have any energies. At least it doesn't have any good energies. One of the most powerful ways to prepare your energy for this practice is to literally wash your hands with salt water. This is the method I personally use to cleanse my energy before any of my manifestation rituals, before my full moon and new moon rituals, before this magical method, Tesla's method, before any rituals, I cleanse my hand using salt water. The reason is because salt cleanses your energy and grounds your aura. So your words carry pure intention when they hit the page. Because you use your hand to write, you need the energies of your hand to be smooth and cleansed. Second, what you're writing with matters. Most people grab a random pen, but Nikola Tesla was obsessed with natural frequencies. Instead of plastic pens, use a wooden pencil or plant-based ink pen. Pencil, wood, or any natural ink holds Earth's vibration. When you write with them, your manifestation isn't just in your mind, it's encoded into the frequency of nature itself. Number 3, this is, I think, something that everyone needs to hear. Align your mind before you start writing. When your hand is writing, your mind may be thinking about bills, errands you have to run, or yesterday's argument with your spouse, and that splits the energy. To avoid this crazy energy frequency around you, close your eyes before you start. Take a deep breath. Set the intention that you're entering a sacred moment. Play the Mula mantra or 432 Hz frequency music and let your whole body align with your words. Only then you begin writing. When your mind, your hands, and your energy are in the same vibration frequency, the universe receives your messages clearly in the frequency you're trying to manifest for. This 4th one might be a little bit difficult, but don't take it too hard. Just do it as easy as possible. It doesn't have to be a whole temple design for yourself, but if you can create a very small ritual space, it would be really helpful when you're doing this ritual. Don't make this method hard for yourself, but try not to just write anywhere at any time. Create a little ritual space. Light a candle. Place a crystal that resonates with your intention and your manifestation. For example, rose quartz for love, citron for abundance, amethyst for clarity. Your space becomes an amplifier, and every time you sit down, your subconscious mind remembers this is where magic happens. And therefore, it makes it much easier for you to connect to that clear energies of the universe and manifest faster. And finally, the forgotten step, the part where is the cause and the reason of why this method doesn't work for so many people. Do not just write your affirmations mechanically. After you finish your 3, 6, or 9 rounds, sit with what you wrote. Read it out loudly and slowly. Imagine it already done. Feel it in your body and your bones. The 369 sequence is not about numbers on a page. It's about shifting your state into alignment with your desires. That is the real Tesla code. This is the secret of getting your manifestations happen, especially with the energies of the new earth and the 5th dimension. You need to feel the energies of what you're writing. You need to read it out loud. It's not just about writing and leaving it and going on with your day. You have to put time when you're doing your manifestation. If your dreams are worthy for you, you're willing to put that time into it to actually feel it and enjoy it and write it as if it already happened and bring that emotion in every cell of your body so it could actually happen. Because in another dimension, another part of you, your higher self, is living your dream life. And it does matter which frequency you're placing yourself at. If you're placing yourself in a frequency of the emotions and feeling of whatever you're trying to manifest, your higher self, who's living your dream life in another dimension, will connect with you and it's going to help you manifest your desires. Now, people ask me a lot this common question. Are there things that can improve the energies of this 369 method? And the answer to this is yes, 100% absolutely. Especially on the full moons where the energies call for this kind of journaling and practice, that's going to amplify your results. Doing other practices beside this, such as guided meditations, mirror work, or crystal activation, is also going to amplify the energies of this practice. Creating energy alignment, the perfect frequency around yourself before you write, really matters. It's going to amplify the energy. So all of these magical secrets plus 1,000 more secrets that can help you amplify your energies and manifest faster while using any of these magical methods are some of the things that I teach in Manifest Now online course. And that's the reason why everyone who has ever joined this course is now thriving as a manifestation magnet. So just to sum this up, 369 method is not about repeating. It's about ritual energy and alignment. Wash your hands with salt water, write with natural tools. Align your mind with sounds. Create your sacred space. Feel the words when you write them and read them. And when you're ready, take it to the next level with the energy amplifier. That's how you turn Tesla's numbers into a living frequency in your life. If you found this video eye-opening, don't forget, I go even deeper inside my Manifest Now online course. And don't forget, I have a lot of methods like this on my channel. So go ahead and watch the other videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love to be friends with you. And don't forget to press the like button if you like this beautiful, amazing secrets that you learned about the Tesla's method. And if you really love someone, share this video with them because it's going to create the good karma for you and it's going to bring that karma back to your life in 1,000 ways better. And if you love my energy, if you really want to do what I do to manifest your dreams like I do, don't forget to check the link to my podcast because I have weekly practices that goes much deeper into manifestation. And don't forget, once you activate this way of working with energy, you'll never see manifestation the same way again. It's going to be a part of you. You're going to manifest all your dreams no matter what. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, your dream life is in the future. It's waiting for you right now. It's not your future. It's here. Your higher self in another dimension is living it. It's here for you. And it's just waiting for you to tune in, align your energies, and bring it into your reality, into this dimension. Thank you so much for being here with me until now. Don't forget to subscribe and become my friend. Leave a comment. I love to hear from you, and I will talk to you soon. Goodbye.